Hello? Hello, Anita ma'am, am I audible? Hello, Anita ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Parvati madam. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we're waiting for HOD, sir, ma'am.
Once he comes, or if he has to continue, we can continue. Just ask once him. He
Okay,
said
ma'am.
he'll join.
Yes, ma'am, he said he'll join by 2:05 or 2:10. I'll just check and get back.
Okay. So you can wait another 5 minutes, then you can start. Till then,
Okay.
you just be checking all the students who has given names, they are present or not.
Yes, ma'am, I checked two. Yes, Prem Kumar has joined and Sana Afreen is here.
No, actually, Sana Afrin is not well, so she have shared her paintings to me. So I thought of I am sharing because she is not well itself.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can
Okay,
share.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Hello? Anita ma'am. Ma'am, sir will be joining in another 5 minutes. He asked us to start and go ahead.
Okay, you can continue.
Okay. Welcome one and all to the day 6 of our student induction program, session 2. The event today that we are having is talent exhibition by students. It's a platform for all our young budding talents to showcase their capabilities. And first in our list, we have Arbaz NR from IS who will be exhibiting his drawing. Arbaz, you're here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start.
Bharati madam.
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಬಾಜ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಬಾಜ್ ಯೋರ್
Okay, fine. Let him do it. Okay, fine.
Abbas, can you simultaneously show what you're drawing? I mean, right now we are not able to see anything in your video, so. Okay. If it is possible, try to keep the camera so that we can also see.
Parvati madam, ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ next in the queue?
Next is Sana Afreen, sir. On behalf of Sana Afreen, Padma ma'am will be showing her drawing sketch.
Okay, fine. ಇದು ಕೆಲವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. I said yes. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ when they are doing without owning the camera, we can give opportunity for them to sing. So 2 things will happen simultaneously.
Okay.
So yesterday they were asking, Hindi songs can we sing? And I said yes, they can do that.
Okay, sir. There's one name, Vidya S. Prasad. Vidya S. Prasad is here.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yesterday only we finished our painting and singing, ma'am. So others told they need to sing.
That's okay, but if you are prepared, because you are a trained singer,
If you have prepared a song, you can sing that.
You can sing. Yes.
Hello, Vidya.
Yes, ma'am, I'll sing.
Okay.
Hello, hello, hello. ನನ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳೆದೈತೆ ಚಮ್ಮಕ ಚೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳು ಚೆಲ್ಲು 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 ಆ ನಗುವ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲು ನಾನಾಗ ಐದು ಬೈಲು ಕೇಳು ಅಂಜಲಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಹೇಳು ನೀ ಕಲಿತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣಲೇ ಕೊಲ್ಲುವ ಚಾಳಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ನೆನಪಿನ ದಾಳಿ You wanna be my heartbeat never ever I'm for you lovely baby never ever Hello 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 ನನ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಳೆದೈತೆ ಚಮ್ಮಕ ಚೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳು ಇಂತಸ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಗುವ ಚರಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ನೋಟವೇ ಎಂಟನೇ ಅಚ್ಚರಿ ಇಂತಸ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಗುವ ಚರಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ನೋಟವೇ ಎಂಟನೇ ಅಚ್ಚರಿ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಎಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ಚೂರು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಜಲಿ 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 You wanna be my heartbeat never ever I'm for you lovely baby never ever Hello 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 ನನ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಳೆದೈತೆ ಚಮ್ಮಕ ಚೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳು ಚೆಲ್ಲು 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 ಆ ನಗುವ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲು ನಾನಾಗ ಐದು ಬೈಲು ಕೇಳು ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪಾಠಾನೆ ಮರೆತೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಂಜಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದೇ ರೂಢಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂಜಲಿ 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 You wanna be my heartbeat never ever I'm for you lovely baby never ever ನಿನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸುತ್ತುವ ನೌಕರಿ ನನಗೀಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಖಾತರಿ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೂ ಕತ್ತರಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದೆ ಸುತ್ತುವ ನೌಕರಿ ನನಗೀಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಖಾತರಿ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೂ ಕತ್ತರಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya, for that wonderful song. Thank you. Arbas, you have completed your drawing?
No, ma'am. Still drawing, ma'am.
Okay, you can continue. As Arbas continues his drawing, we have Sharmila. Sharmila is here. Sharmila R of CS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sharmila, you can play your guitar. Playing guitar.
Ma'am, but I have to show a video, right?
Yes, it's.
Can I show it? It's possible.
Yeah, please do that. You can show.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Just 2 minutes.
Imam is present in the meeting. Imam, are you there? Imam, you wanted to sing Hindi songs. Yesterday I said yes, you can do that. So please remind him, Parvati.
Sir, I'll just
Parvati,
check
ma'am.
if he's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll just check.
Imam, then Ravi Sharaf.
Ravi Sharif. Ravi Sharif is here. Ravi Sharaf.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
He can sing
you.
Hindi songs.
Ravi Sharif.
Yes, sir. 2
Okay.
minutes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Sharmila, your video is visible. You can start.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I thank HOD sir, principal sir, and my teachers to telecasting the student talent program. And let me continue with mine. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharmila, for those melodious tunes from different songs. I could identify at least 3 of them from 3 different languages. Thank you for those wonderful tunes. Uh,
Thank you, ma'am.
Ravi Sharif was ready to sing a Hindi song, I believe. Ravi Sharif is there?
Yes, ma'am. Kannada song, ma'am.
Kannada song. Okay. Go ahead, Ravi Sharif.
ಗೀತಾಂಜಲಿ ಹಾಡುಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಧುರ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಾಡುಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹೋ ಕನಕಾಂಬರಿ ನೀರು ಬಾರದೆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋ ಕನಕಾಂಬರಿ ನೀರು ಬಾರದೆ ಉತ್ಸವ ಸಾಗಲ್ಲ ಗೀತಾಂಜಲಿ ಹಾಲು ಜಿಲ್ಲಗಿ ಹಾಯಿಗೆ ಮುರ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ನೀರಾಗಲೇನ ನಗಲು ಗರಿ ಹೋಗಲು ಜಾಗಲೇನ ಹಂಡಕೆ ನಂಡ ತೋರಲು ಅಂಜಾಗಲೇನ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೋಪ ತಂಪು ಮಾಡಲು ತೇರಾಗಲೇನ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲು ಕೇಳದೆ ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡಲು ಹೊಗಳದೆ ನಾರಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೊಡಲು ಹೋ ಕನಕಾಂಬರಿ ನೀನು ಬಾರದೆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಹೂವಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋ ಶ್ವೇತಾಂಬರಿ ನೀನು ಬಾರದೆ ಉತ್ಸವ ಸಾಗಲ್ಲ la 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 la. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಂಗ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಕಾಶದ ಬಲೆ ನಿನ್ನೆಗೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮುಂಚೂಗಳೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀರು ಸಾಗರ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಾವ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೊಡದೆ ನೀನು ಜೀತೆಯಾರೆ ಹೊರದೆ ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಕಿಯಾರೆ ಹೋ ಕನಕಾಂಬರಿ ನೀನು ಬಾರದೆ ಪೂಜೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋ ಶ್ವೇತಾಂಬರಿ ನೀನು ಬಾರದೆ ಉತ್ಸವ ಸಾಗಲ್ಲ ಗೀತಾಂಜಲಿ ಹಾಡುಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹರಿಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಧುರ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಳೆದಿಂಡಿಗೆ Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you for that beautiful song. Arbas, have you completed your painting?
No, ma'am. Still painting is drawing, coloring is doing, ma'am.
Okay. Continue. And meanwhile, I request Padma ma'am to exhibit Sana Afreen sketching. On behalf of Sana Afreen, Padma ma'am will be exhibiting her sketch. Padma ma'am. Hello, Padma ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. 1 second. So actually she was supposed to sketch more and she was supposed to upload to me, but she was not well. So whatever she had sent it once. So I thought of just showing it. That's it. Just not to disappoint her. So 5 sketches she had done it.
Padma madam, give some time for everyone to see. At least
Yes,
1
sir.
minute. 1 minute you stop.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, very good sketching that student has done. Really
Padma,
wonderful.
is it PDF? Padma?
Yes, ma'am, PDF.
Go to view and make it full screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
After file, there will be a view. Go to view. In that full screen mode will be there.
Ma'am, in this view, okay, here this one. No, it is just page view. It is there, single page. Can you guide me option, ma'am, here? Because
It's PDF, right, or Word?
It's PDF.
In PDF, you will be having a file. After that file, there will be a view.
No, that option is not there here. I think you can see the screen there, I guess.
Yeah, you can go to page view.
Single page.
Single page is there, but it's not.
Yeah, that option is not here.
Yeah, I think you have opened it just through this thing. You close this.
Adobe, this one, right?
Yeah, open with.
Okay.
Okay, Adobe Reader.
Yeah.
Now there is view. After file, edit, view. Make it
full screen mode.
Full screen mode.
Yeah.
Padma ma'am, which type of painting is this? Oil painting?
No, actually, I couldn't speak to her. It's like this water painting itself, just she posted, she told that she's not well. So I thought of not disturbing her.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice painting.
Yeah, this is the last one. So totally 5 she had sent it to me. Yes, that's all, ma'am.
There were some really nice paintings from Sana Afri, and we also had few other students who wanted to show their sketching and drawing. Pratiksha is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratiksha, drawing you were showing.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, I'm gonna
drawn
draw.
so many, ma'am, drawing. Can I show, ma'am?
Yes, sure, you can. Who is this? Sorry.
Ma'am, Arbaz, ma'am.
Arbaz. Okay, Arbaz, you're ready with your drawing? Okay, sure.
No, ma'am, I have drawn so many drawings in lockdown, ma'am. Can I present that, ma'am?
Yeah, you can present that. Padma ma'am, I think your screen is still sharing.
Ma'am.
Next.
Arbaz, now I think, yeah, now your video is. You can just say about what it is and what kind of colors you have used. Just explain what
Ma'am,
it is
it's
about.
crayons, ma'am. Crayons. And it is nature, ma'am. Village.
Next.
Can I show next, ma'am?
Yes, go ahead. Just show for about 30 seconds or so. Just explain what you have used and what you are depicting in the picture. And then show
Ma'am,
the
I have
next.
drawn all village, ma'am. Village life. How village life is going.
Your camera correctly, Arbaz, so that full view is visible. You are shaking it, it's not clearly visible. And you look into the
Yes,
screen.
ma'am, I can see.
It's looking vertical. You make it horizontal so that everybody can see in their device properly.
Ma'am, can I share to you, ma'am? You can show, ma'am.
Send to WhatsApp, I will share.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Meanwhile, Prem Kumar SR is here. Prem Kumar of CA. Yes, Prem Kumar, you wanted to exhibit your pencil sketching. Yes, please go ahead.
Parvati madam.
Yes, sir.
One student by name Divya, she wanted to exhibit her talent. I don't know what it is. If she is there, okay, you just find out.
Yes, her name is, she's going to give a speech on environment.
Okay, very
I'll
good.
call.
Okay.
Prem Kumar, just explain what it is and what you have used for drawing, okay?
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
It's a character which comes in Avenger movie. So
Okay.
I have did that, and I used 2H shade pencil.
Okay.
And next is even this also, which comes in that movie itself, Falcon. And for this, I used 3B pencil, dark, little black dark.
Nice.
And this is Krishna.
Very nice.
I used some 2B something, 2H pencil, I think.
Nice.
This is a anime character.
No
this
name?
I did.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Name of the character. Just
I don't know
curious. That's
properly. I did
okay.
it in PO.
Okay. Nice.
And this is some sort of message where humans are cutting all the trees. And the birds, there is no proper house for them. And the bird is making.
Very nice. Very beautiful message also, and wonderful sketching.
Thank you. This is Ganesh.
Bala Ganesh is very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You have done very beautifully this Bala Ganesh. It looks as it is in the what we see in the TV. Exactly, it is like that.
I show
This
next,
is
sir.
a pencil sketching, no? All these pencil sketching you have done. I think it is pencil sketching only.
Prem Kumar, you're there?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, now you're audible.
You have done a very beautiful pencil sketching, Prem. Okay, I think some issues is not audible. Shiva.
Next, this is Shiva, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
This also I did some 2-3 months back. And then this I did using a classmate book. Hello, sir.
Tell
Yes,
me. Go on,
you're
go on,
audible.
go on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
By seeing that, I did this one. And I used some pen sketching for that hairstyle.
Very nice, Prem. Very nice sketching.
And this is also one more message that what the abuse going on females that seen in the eye.
Very realistic. The eye looks very nice.
Yes. Fantastic. Very nicely drawn.
And this is Iron Man, my favorite one. And even this is about nature. It's a deer jumping from one side to another side. That's it, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice, Prem Kumar. Very nice. We have Hiteshi. Hiteshi is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Hiteshi also wanted to show a few of her drawings. Go ahead, Hiteshi. Also, Pratiksha. Pratiksha also had a few of her drawings to be exhibited. You can also be prepared, Pratiksha. You can show next. After Hiteshi is done, you can show next.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. This is an sketching just from a random book.
Very
I've
nice.
used all kinds of pencils, like all shades of pencils in this. It's just a modern women's pick, ma'am.
Very nice.
And this is just a sketch of a view from the top of a street looks.
Oh, okay, nice.
And these are my favorite cricketers sketching.
Okay, nice. RCB. Very nice.
And this is just an idle pic from a book. And this is again a women's pic. I've just used a light shade of pencil in this.
Nice.
And this is a modern art. I've just used a watercolor pencil.
Okay.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. I think video is not visible. Yeah,
No, ma'am,
now it
she's
is visible. Yeah. Now it is visible. Maybe heavy rain, I think.
ma'am. No, she's sharing screen, ma'am. Screen is visible, ma'am.
Now it is visible. Now it is
Okay.
visible.
Okay.
Okay.
This is again a sketch of a village woman with her
Okay.
costumes and all.
Very nice. Very nice.
This is a Radha Krishna painting. I've used acrylic paint in this.
Oh, very nice. So much detailing. Beautiful it is.
Thank you. And this is just a sketching of a bride. Again, an acrylic painting.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
And a normal sketching of a modern woman with different shades of pencils.
Nice.
And this is also a sketching of a modern woman with shades of color.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Hiteshi. There were some really nice drawings, paintings, and sketchings. Very nice. And Pratiksha, are you ready? You wanted to exhibit your drawings, I believe. Pratiksha is here.
1 minute.
Okay. And I observed that Shruti HK had raised her hand. Shruti, is there some talent that you would like to exhibit?
I think that is Srishti Parvati.
Shrishti HK. Shrishti HK is here. I observed that there was a hand raised by Shrishti HK. So I just wanted to check. Is there any talent?
Ma'am, I have shared to Anita ma'am.
Okay, Arbaz.
Okay.
Anita ma'am, if you are ready to share.
Parvati madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 2 minutes. I'm downloading. Meanwhile, if anybody are there, you can just.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Pratiksha, if you're ready, you can go ahead. Pratiksha. Hello, Pratiksha is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can go ahead, Pratiksha. You were exhibiting your drawing. You can go ahead. And Vidya S. Prasad had also done few paintings. It was informed that Vidya S. Prasad would also be exhibiting some of her painting talents. Vidya, if you're ready with those, you can exhibit them as well.
Ma'am?
Yes, Pratiksha.
Ma'am, it's visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's a dreaming baby boy sleeping on cloud.
Nice, very nice.
The sketches I have done through the normal pencil itself, ma'am.
Okay, nice.
And this is a bird. Hood picker, and used a black color pencil.
Okay, very nice.
And it's a girl standing alone.
Give some time for
Okay.
for the sketching so that all of them can take a look. Yeah, very nice.
Okay. And it's a Mickey Mouse.
Nice.
And it's a girl feeling that her mother is, when she was in childhood, her mother was to care her, right? So that's
Yeah.
the thing.
Oh, okay, nice. Nice, wonderful depiction.
Thank you. And this is in the beach, a lone tower.
Okay, nice.
And there's a flower pot, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, Pratiksha.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Vidya? Vidya is Prasad?
Yes,
Vidya,
ma'am. Can I share, ma'am?
yeah, you can share. Go ahead.
It is visible, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is, it's not clear. It's looking blur. Can maybe some network issue in my end. I'm not sure, but the screen is not clear for me. Vidya, can you? Yes. Just try to reshare. The screen was not very clear. Just try to reshare.
Now it's clear, ma'am.
Yes, now it is visible. Yes.
Ma'am,
Very
this
nice.
is mandala art, ma'am. I used
Very
paint, ma'am, different color paints.
beautiful. Very intricate. Very so much detailing. Very nice.
And black pen, ma'am. Black nib. Gel, black gel, ma'am. To do
nice.
some small designs.
Very beautiful. Very nice. Hello, Vidya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is that all? Are you still sharing screen?
I'm sharing, ma'am, one by one.
No, we are not able to see. We could only see the first mandala art. That was the only one I was able to see. I think you should reshare.
Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yeah, it is not. Yes, it is. It's not very clear though. The sketching is.
Ma'am, I think I have some message.
Vidya, are you showing through PDF or your
From gallery, ma'am.
Huh?
From gallery, ma'am.
Yes, it should be okay. With gallery is okay.
Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yes, we are able to see, but there is. I don't know if it is because of some network issue. In certain stages, it's getting blur or the image clarity is lost in some cases. Okay, go ahead. You can share the screen. Go ahead.
Parvati, after this, I'm ready with Arba's folder.
Okay, okay.
You can see, ma'am, now.
Yes, I'm able to see.
It's just a Tom girl, ma'am. Just a shading.
Very nice.
It's visible, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. The Tom girl is visible now.
Yeah, ma'am.
I think we have lost it. We are not able to see your screen again with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see. Maybe
share.
we'll come back a little. Maybe it's some network issue. We'll come back a little later. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Anita, ma'am, you can go ahead, ma'am. You can. Hello, Anita, ma'am.
Yes, Parvati. I'm just uploading.
Go ahead. Okay. Meanwhile, Divya S is here. Divya S.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
you can be ready. You can give the speech on environment that you were planning. You can give that next. Just be ready, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Something has happened. It's not getting shared. Just you can have one more event.
Okay.
After that, I will do this.
Okay, ma'am. Then Divya, you can go ahead. You can start with the speech that you wanted to deliver. Go ahead, Divya.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all who are all present here, respective professors and my dear all friends. Myself, Divya. I'm from Tribali branch. I'm going to present a short speech on environment. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surroundings. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. The good or bad quality of our life is depending on the quality of our natural environment. Our need for food, water, there must be a balanced natural cycle between the environment and the lives of human beings. Human society is playing a vital role in degenerating the natural environment, which is affecting badly the lives on this planet. All human actions in this modern but directly impact our ecosystem. Many actions of us have brought big changes to this planet, resulting in many environmental problems. Increasing demand for technologies and industries is another important factor. There are many harmful effects of human activities on the environment. Some of these are pollution, overpopulation, waste disposal, climate change, global warming, and the greenhouse effect, etc. The big reason that poses a serious threat to our environment is the harmful gases in the air. The uncontrolled use of automobiles has increased these effects, which in turn emits harmful gases like carbon monoxide. The electronic appliances like air conditioner and refrigerator also contaminating air by discharge of harmful substances. The diverse effect of these gases is causing air pollution as well as global warming. Due to all the above human activities, our planet has recharged at unsustainable levels. Therefore, it is our duty and responsibility to lower the loss. Every individual can play a significant role in solution. For example, we should take a pledge to say no to plastic instead of it. We may take use of eco-friendly substitutes like paper and cloth bags. The government of every country must implement strict laws for industries. Those are releasing the toxic waste for proper waste management. The awareness programs should be organized to encourage citizens to use public transport as much as possible. At the last but not the least, in the end, I want to say that we must spread environmental awareness in our society as well as in our daily routine life. It is necessary to save and protect our environment. In my view, it is the responsibility of everyone to do our bit for the environment. Therefore, let us work together towards a greener and more sustainable future. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Have a colorful day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divya. That was very nice, very relevant topic and very informative talk given by Divya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please. Anita ma'am is presenting. Ma'am, your screen is visible, ma'am. We are able to see.
Arbaz, you can speak. Arbaz is there?
Arbaz?
Yes, ma'am.
You can. Ma'am will show the drawings. You can explain what you have used and what you are depicting.
It is a term.
Nice. Ma'am, you can show next one, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a car. Name is Ford.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is a girl with peacock with nature.
Nice.
You draw this, Arbaz?
Yes, Riyadh.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Thank you,
Sorry,
Riyadh.
Riyadh, any
Welcome.
doubt?
No, I'm asking him only.
Ma'am, it is a village life. How background village life? How village life is going?
Very nice.
Ma'am, it is nature.
Nice, very nice.
Ma'am, it is also a village life.
Very nice,
Same, ma'am.
Sarvaj.
How
Very
village
nice.
life is in olden days. Ma'am, they are picking the water from borewell.
This is hand pump, no? Not borewell.
Hand pump.
Nice, very nice.
It is also village life. Ma'am, it is a girl.
Nice.
Ma'am, it is love at first sight.
Nice. Very nice, Arbaz. All many realistic depictions of villages. Very nicely done. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Next is Sharmila here. Sharmila? Hello, Sharmila? Sharmila R.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sharmila. You would be giving a seminar?
Yes, ma'am, giving seminar. Before that, shall I share my drawings too?
Okay. You can first show your drawings and then go ahead with the seminar.
Share.
Santupal is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Santupal, you can be ready. You can go next. Once Sharmila finishes the seminar, you can go next.
Okay, ma'am.
You can be ready. You can go next. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arbaz.
ma'am, at last shall I give Hindi one song, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this I did last year in lockdown period. I just used my pencil and my painting. I mean, painting watercolors and all.
Oh, very
Girls
nice.
being with a cage. And this
Very
is my
nice.
craft now 2 days before I did.
Oh, very nice. Very beautiful. Wall hanging.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Very
Then
nice.
This is a girl seeing with having a hat.
Okay, nice.
Then this is a girl.
Nice.
Even this is a girl, ma'am, just with one eye open and closed.
Very nice. Nice.
This is a bird.
Okay.
This is a sparrow.
Nice.
This is a bird, ma'am, with a tree.
Very nice.
That's it, ma'am.
Very nice, Sharman. You can go ahead with your seminar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is the screen visible? PDF.
Yes, your screen is visible. Your slides are, we're able to see your slides.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm giving a yes, ma'am.
Make it slideshow.
Slideshow. Must not see.
It is PowerPoint, right?
Yes, ma'am, PPT.
You should be able to view as a slideshow. There is a play button. You check with that. There is a play something button.
Ma'am, with play button we can do, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now is it?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, all present here. I am Sharmila from CSE branch. I am giving a seminar about technology. We live in 21st century where we do all our work with the help of technology, isn't it? We know technology as the name, technological know-how. Also, it implies the modern practical knowledge that we require to do things in an effective and efficient manner. Technological advancements have made life easier and convenient. We use this technology on a daily basis to fulfill our interests and particular duties. From morning to evening, we use this technology. It helps us numerous ways. As everyone knows about the word technology, can anyone say what's the meaning of the word technology? Anyone?
Technology is a brought of developments.
Okay. Let me continue with the topic. The application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life, or as it is sometimes phrased, to the change and manipulation of the human. Technology is one of the keywords of our world, yet it is also one of the most confused. As an analytical category, it's necessary for understanding of our own humanity's history and indeed. Now we'll see the history of technology. Before saying about this history, let me say a few things about it. Shanta Swarup Bhatnagar was the father of technology. He established 12 national research laboratories in India, internationally accomplished chemist and scientist, and is more famously known as the father of science as well as technology. Technology started with beginning of life on Earth and goes until the founding of early modern technologies. such as computer and nuclear power. Later on, in an era of technology, started when wheel was invented, which is one of the most important technology, and after it more and more things invented. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, is the first electronic digital computer. You would have studied or heard about it in CPS while studying generation of computers, isn't it? Very were the digital computers, inventors, and that the ENIAC had been derived from their design. Actually, Thomas Edison is an American inventor. He created the world's first industrial research laboratory. Why is this history of technology important? Since much of technology is applied, technical history is connected to the history of science. Since technology uses resources, technical history is tightly connected to economic history. It's a force for economic growth and means to develop and project economic, political, military power, and wealth. There are 4 areas of technology: pre-chemical, mechanical, electromechanical, and electronic. Now we are in electronic age. Why did they create technology? Yeah, we need a way to communicate faster than sending mail. Could take months get from one point to another. Invented the technology to talk one another. Why technology is important? To develop new technologies to get information which helps to save lives. It improves work and makes world better. How do you use technology? We use every day, isn't it? Therefore, Google, we got a lot of information through WhatsApp. You send your notes assignment for your friends through mail. You send some documents for office work. Also, we use Excel, Word, etc. and many more too. But for communication, analyticals, etc. Types of technology. We have many types of technology, but here I have presented only few things. Let me continue with that. Information technology. We have moved from an industrial age to an information technological age. It uses to create, store, and process data to achieve outputs. Example: PC, telephone, radio, database server. Communication technology. It is also a variant of information technology. It supports data and improve customer retention. So simple data can be converted into valuable insights with the help of information technology. Example: social media, messenger app, video conferencing. Next is management technology. Managers utilize to take well-informed or better decision, exchange of data for business and clients. So technologically advanced and proper database system help reduce loss. This increase or improve performance and profitability. Example: CRM, that is customer relationship management. Next is artificial intelligence. Everyone knows about this as one seminars went based on this topic in first semester. Anyway, it's a simple technology. The creation of intelligent and smart machines that work like humans. That sounds so strange but interesting. The systems are instrument in solving a variety of technical and other issues. Blockchain technology. It's the latest entrant into the huge technological network. It is giving fresh meaning to technology and creating a new age internet. The blockchain technology is spreading its broad wings worldwide. It's actually generating different use cases, solving various difficult tasks, and so on. Next is benefits of technology. Lifesaver. Helps us to save many lives in medical field to treat many health conditions like cancer, chronic diseases. Next, communication made easy. The invention of computers, mobile phones, internets has made the process of two-way communication faster, simpler, and effective. Increased productivity. Invention of latest technology and machinery have increased overall production in any sector in world, have benefited from technological advancements. Aids in new decision. New discoveries. New things are discovered every day with the help of technology and machinery. For instance, if electricity wasn't discovered, there would be have no further invention of other electrical equipments, isn't it? Secure environment. Banking, money management has become more secure. Today, by just using a plastic or credit card, we can avoid the risk of carrying cash with us in every part of modern world. Example, CCTV webcams have increased the level of security, visual information and communication around. Global knowledge access. The World Wide Web has made the world a better connected as information from all around the globe is widely available on the internet. You can learn online from tutors or course providers across the sphere. Time saver. Modern technology has enabled us to save both time and money. Things that took hours or even days to be done earlier can now be completed in a matter of minutes or seconds. Sending an email in place of a postal letter, travel, banking, etc. These are the examples of how technology influenced our lives. Ease of mobility. Ever imagine your life without a vehicle or even for the matter or smartphone? Surely not. Technology has made it so much easier and accessible for all of us. Cost efficient. The major benefit of ongoing advancement in the field of technology is that it has made every kind of product cost effective by meeting the demands of people with higher production that have been made much simpler and accessible. A good example of this LED, and entertainment and data storage. Whatever we see on the television nowadays, movies, cartoons, documentaries, special effects are all part of technology being introduced on the globe. Now it takes a click to capture a picture or store any kind of important data in a storage device. Next, advantages of technology. As I already told about the benefits of technology, like saves time, ease of mobility, better communication, cost efficient, and better learning techniques, let me move with disadvantages of technology. Data security. Digital technology means amount of data can be collected and stored. This can be private information concerning an organization. It's difficult to keep this data safe as private information going into hands of criminals, terrorists, or other entities. Next is crime and terrorism. The internet is fertile territory for malevolent forces to operate. Example, terrorists using social media to promote themselves and encourage others, drug dealers using the dark web to trade, using chat rooms to groom potential victims, attempting to say electrons in democratic countries. Work overload. Many workers spend their days trying to keep with the hundreds of emails that they sent each week, all of which require reading. Organizing the amount of digital data acquired in some jobs, such as the minutes of meeting, photographs, reports, and instructions, can also be a huge headache. Addiction. Now, everyone addicted with social media, computer games, messaging, and websites. Digital media manipulation. Used to formulate new information to aid learning through the use, analysis, evolution, and production of interactive and hands-on media. In conclusion, I would say that it depends on a person that to what degree you want to be dependent on technology. Moreover, there is nothing in the world that comes easy, and it's up to our conscience to decide that what we want to learn from the things that we are provided to us. At last, technology is not just a boom, but a curse too. On a hand, it can save lives. On the other hand, it can destroy them too. I'll share your video, just see it. I don't know whether the audio is working or not. Just see it, how the generation changed. Is this video seen?
Yes, the video is seen. Audio, I think it's not audible now, but video is seen. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll show, ma'am, just.
Yes, yes.
Hello, Anita madam. Anita madam.
Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ
Hello.
WhatsApp ನಲ್ಲಿ
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. Hello.
Sir, please check your WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
By this, you will got to know about how technology has changed. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and thank you all.
Very nice, Sharmila. Very nicely presented and very nicely delivered talk. Very nice it was. Very informative and relevant. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
If we could, I don't know what way we could view the audio also. We were only able to see the video that you presented, but the audio was not heard. But I don't know if there is a mechanism to do that.
Even I don't know, ma'am. Better I'll share the video in group, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. You can do that. Yes. Santupal is here. Santupal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can go ahead, Santupal.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, good afternoon all. A very warm welcome to all the teachers and students present in the auditorium. I am here to deliver a speech on mother's love. Mother is the most selfless person in this world who starts loving her children even before they come into this world. Nothing could be compared to a mother's love in this world, as it is the purest form of love. Mother is like an angel for her child, who always loves her child and supports him and her. For every child, his mother has a special place in this heart because she is the first person the child sees after his birth. This is the reason why a child and a mother have a special bond between them. But not all people are fortunate enough to have mother love in their life due to many reasons. Those who have their mother with them must love and respect her. Mother is the greatest gift for a child by God. It is the mother who always loves her children without expecting anything from them in return. It would not be wrong to say that women are an inheritedly good mother, but they realize the power of mother love when they become a mother. A mother can do anything to protect her child, and she is primary support of a child. She not only morally supports the child but also
ಹಲೋ
perhaps
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆ ಶರ್ಮಿಲಾ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ನನ್ಗೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಗುಡ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡೆಡ್. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕರೆದ್ಬೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
ಹಲೋ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಅನಿತಾ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Santupal, you can continue.
perhaps our child to be a better person in life. A mother plays many roles in her child's life, from being her child's first friend to a mentor who always guides him and her. And she dedicatedly plays all these roles without complaining or hesitating. So we should always love and respect our mother and her thoughts. It is our duty to take care of our parents when they get as they did in our childhood. Today, I also take the opportunity to thank you, my mother, and being grateful to her and God for having me in her life. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, Santipal. Thank you. That was very nice. Anybody else who wants to exhibit their talent, who have not given their names?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have few pencil sketches to show. Can I show, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure. Go ahead. Go ahead, Naveen.
Ma'am, shall I sing, ma'am?
Yes, after Naveen shows his sketch. Okay, you can start, Arbaz. You can sing, and then Naveen can show his sketches.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Arbaz, you're ready? Then you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes, you can start. Yes, you can start.
Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. I am Arbaz. I am here to sing my favorite song. It is Tum Hi Ho. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, Arbaz, go ahead.
Okay.
Hello, Arbaz. Arbaz, hello, can you hear me? Arbaz, your audio is not being heard. It's not very clear.
Ma'am?
Your audio is not being heard. While you were singing, it was not being heard.
Okay, I will sing, ma'am.
You can just start over again. It was not being heard, so I think maybe some network issue. Just start over again. You can.
Okay.
सिग्नल से हो गए
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hello, Arbaz. Your audio is.
ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಿ
Sir.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ.
Okay, sir. One more student, sir, Naveen G, also wanted to show his paintings. I'll.
You can do it quickly.
Yeah, Naveen, you can show your paintings, Naveen. Share screen. You can.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, Chuki.
Ma'am, this is Lord Krishna. Ma'am, his screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, your screen is visible.
Ma'am, this is a warrior who is fighting. And then this is a guy who is sitting in a chair. And this is the same guy who is operating systems with a cup of coffee.
Okay.
And this is Tony Stark, who is generally known as Iron Man.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, Naveen.
Thank you.
Arbaz, your audio was not very clear, so that's why we were not able to hear your song. But as of now,
So I can't, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sir, actually, sir, can I?
Yes, yes. You can start our already program.
Okay, sir.
Parvati, hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take the
Yes, sir.
take the
Yes.
permission from principal also.
Yes. Principal, sir, shall I start?
Yeah, please, madam, please.
Okay. Good evening to one and all present here. Honorable Management PKMET, respected Principal RRIT, heads of various departments RRIT, faculty members and students of second semester. I am privileged to be given the opportunity to welcome you all to the valedictory function of our student induction program, phase 2. They say the cure to boredom is curiosity, and during the past week, through various insightful and informative talks by different speakers, many a question that arise out of curiosity was addressed, inculcating a desire to learn and grow among students. But like all good things, we have come to an end of this wonderful week. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our magnanimous management that has always been encouraging and supportive of all our academic activities. I welcome Sir Y. Rajareddy Sir, Chairman PKMET, Sir Kiran HR, Secretary PKMET, and Sri Arun HR, Director PKMET in absentia. Due to unavoidable circumstances, they could not be present here for the function, but they have sent their heartfelt good wishes. I would like to extend our warm welcome to our respected Principal Sir, Dr. Mahindra KV, our guiding light and source of inspiration, under whose able leadership we have been able to conduct many programs for the benefit of students and faculty. My cordial welcome to Dr. Maya Salimat, Director QAC, RR Institutions, whose support has played a vital role in all our academic activities. My heartiest welcome to all the HODs of different departments present here for the event. I extend my welcome to Dr. V. Ramachandra Murthy sir, Head of Basic Science Department, with whose with whose wisdom and determinism we have been able to carry out many such events has made possible. I would also like to welcome all the faculty, my colleagues, as well as the organizing secretary of this program, Dr. Anita R. Shetter, whose persisting efforts has made organization of events like these possible. And finally, welcoming the students of second semester, without whom this event would not have been successful. Once again, I welcome one and all to the valedictory function of Student Induction Program. Taking the evening further, I would like to request Dr. V. Ramachandra Murthy sir, Head of Basic Science Department, to deliver the report on Student Induction Program.
Thank you, Parvati Ramchandran. Honorable Management, PKMET, respected Principal, RRIT, heads of various departments of RRIT and faculty of RRIT, and most importantly, our second semester BE students of our Institute of Technology. It gives me an immense pleasure to present before you a brief report on the 1 week student induction program phase 2 in online mode held from 7th to 12th June 2021. In this entire 1 week student induction program phase 2, students were exposed to most of the topics prescribed by the university. Resource persons, both internal and external, have really done their good job in disseminating their views on the topics such as universal human values, career guidance branch-wise, semiconductor and material science subject-oriented lectures, awareness on COVID-19 and its importance of vaccination, creative practices and innovations, personality development, yoga and its benefits, and extracurricular activities, arts and culture, and presentation of talents by students. The students took part very actively in all the said events, and they kept the sessions by interacting with the speakers very, very lively. Overall, the student induction program conducted in online mode went on very well, and it has benefited immensely our students. Thank you. Parvati.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request one of the students, Sharmila R from CS department, to give her feedback on behalf of the students on the student induction program. Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, over to you. You can continue.
First of all, I thank all the teachers who have made the program very good, and the students who participated, I congratulate them. Then I thank Principal Sir and HOD Sir who have conducted this program to go further. And the induction program went very well, which was very useful from first day to till now. All the speakers and the teachers from other colleges also, they did very well, and they supported us, and all the presentation was very useful to us. I thank them too. They spent their times to us, and they gave some knowledge to us, and we learned something.
Yes. Thank you, Sharmila. Thank you for sharing your feedback. I request another student, Prem Kumar SR from CS department. Prem Kumar is here. Prem Kumar?
If he is not there, you can call any other student who are willing to express.
Okay. Santupal? Santupal can, on behalf of the student community, if Santupal is here, can you please give a feedback on how you felt about the student induction program? Okay, if not, Vidya S. Prasad is here.
I can invite Sharaf, Ravi Sharaf was with us. Madam Parvati, Ravi Sharaf
Yes.
can speak, I think.
Okay, sir.
Ravi Sharaf.
Ravi Sharif? I think Vidya came online. Vidya? Vidya, can you give feedback on behalf of the students on regarding how you felt about the student induction program? Just briefly give us a feedback on how it was. How was your experience participating and attending different lectures from various speakers?
It was very good, ma'am. Full week, ma'am, from Monday. It was a different program each day, ma'am. We enjoyed a lot, ma'am. Even it is in online, we interacted so much, and it was very good, ma'am. I thank all the teachers and the whole other institution, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vidya, for sharing your feedback. Moving on, I would like to invite our respected principal, sir, Dr. Mahindra KV, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all the members present here, dear students. I had good interaction with your HOD and faculties, and I came to know that the program was good. Hope you have enjoyed this program. Not to just give feedback here, but really you might have enjoyed. If it is offline, things would have been much different, much different. Okay. You are supposed to know many things before you graduate and go outside. That is where we all struggle a lot. No doubt, academic is one major part, but say 75%, the 25% is more important. That is what we try to give it in the institution. And this is one of such mode where induction program has made us to do this. But of course, in future, we have to have more and more such programs. But I want all my students should really participate in the program. It should be 100% attendance, because it is for you to develop certain things. See, you have to develop. Now people are talking more about so many things. You have to develop understanding the human values. A lot of things have come. So many discussion has happened. And that is one major thing we have to understand, because it is required at various levels. And such is, what is that? Special lectures. The special lectures, we have made some personality development and time management, the goal setting. Many people will learn on their own and all these things. Of course, you can also learn on your own, but you must get a chance to learn that. That is important. So that we'll try to have it. Some different thinking is there going on at our top level. Then you must also know the most important, the academic rules, examination rules, and your branch, what branch you are studying. That is the reason we had one session with exclusively their HODs, department HODs. Then we have some entrepreneurship. Of course, we didn't have today this time. Entrepreneurship is one where separately we are going to do this. Anybody can become an entrepreneur, but you need to know a lot of things and work a lot towards that. And next is the English proficiency. Of course, majority of the students are from English medium. I don't think that is a very major thing, but people needs writing skill. Over a period of time, these online courses and other things, we have lost the writing habit. So writing is most important, where once we start writing, we remember and we try to improve our grammar, making English sentence, simple sentences, and how to talk, what to talk. That counts a lot. And next is some computer proficiency. What we have seen is people are struggling a lot when they want to do some project work, a report, write a report, draw some Excel graphs, and give some good presentation. People are struggling a lot. Of course, these things in future we try to have this. Anyway, overall the program was wonderful. And thanks to all the speakers who have made it a grand success. Thanks to all my students who have attended this program and involved yourself. I hope majority of you have involved yourself. It's really great. And if the same tempo continues, probably after lockdown is lifted and if colleges are allowed to have offline classes, maybe next semester onwards, we may go for some more interesting, useful, more thrust on the technical side, along with all these things will be given to you. So all the best for all those things, and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Anita R. Shetter, Associate Professor, Department of Basic Science, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Parvati. It gives me immense pleasure to thank our management who has supported us morally and financially to conduct this program. I would like to thank Shri Y. Raja Reddy sir, Chairman PKMET, and Patron Shri Kiran HR, Secretary PKMET Bangalore, Shri Arun HR, Director PKMET Bangalore, for their constant support to conduct this program. I thank all of these. And most important, to design and execute this, our beloved principal, Dr. Mahendra KV, who is inspiring us to conduct such program. I am very much thankful to you, sir, for the encouragement to conduct this program. Thank you very much, sir. Similarly, the strain which was taken by our beloved HOD, Dr. V. Ramachandra Murthy, who has planned it meticulously and executed it meticulously. I would like to thank Dr. V. Ramachandra Murthy for the support and conduction during this student induction program. I would like to thank all our basic science team, Professor Shweta, Professor Padma Nayak, Professor Tejashwini, Professor Pavan Sagar, Professor Parvati. I would like to thank Dr. U. Manjulamma for their constant support and took active participation in all the events every day. So I thank all of you. And also it gives me immense pleasure to thank our speakers who has contributed much significance in this SIP. Dr. Sunita HD, HOD of EC and Electrical RRIT Bangalore, for her wonderful talk on Universal Human Values 1. I would like to thank Professor Parimala Gandhi, Department of EC RRIT Bangalore, for wonderful session of the Universal Human Values 2. She also has deliberated a wonderful lecture. I am very much thankful to you, ma'am. I am also thankful to Dr. Anita Nandurkar, KLE IT Hubballi, who has proposed her lecture on applications of the semiconductor. This was also very wonderful session. I am very much thankful to Dr. Anita R. Nandurkar. And I am very much thankful to Lakshmi Narayana, NMIT Bangalore, for wonderful personality development. He was a very inspiring person, and we are very lucky to hear his talk. I am very much thankful to you, sir. And also I am thankful to all the branch HODs who has given career guidance to all the respective branch students, which has helped our students to dream further. Thank you very much, all HODs. And I am very much thankful to Dr. Manjunatha G, Department of Mechanical RRIT Bangalore, for his wonderful lecture on creative practices and innovation. Thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful lecture. And I am very much thankful to Dr. Mangala Gauri, Department of Pathology, Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore, for her awareness program on the COVID-19 and importance of the vaccination. It was very wonderful session. All the students took a very important role in this lecture. It was very inspiring and has given very much awareness about the COVID-19. Thank you very much, madam. And I would like to thank Professor Girish, Department of Civil, RRIT Bangalore, for his wonderful yoga and its demonstrating the benefits of the yoga and how the yoga has to be performed. So I am very much thankful to Professor Girish. And one more very important session which took yesterday. For that, I am very much thankful for that. That is Professor Shruti, Department of CSE RRIT Bangalore, where the session was on arts and culture. Students exhibited their art and culture, and there were many PPTs presented by Professor Shruti. I am very much thankful to Professor Shruti for conducting and making the event very successful. And today's morning speaker, who is well known to us, Professor R. Ravindra, RR College of Pharmacy, who has given a motivational talk to our students. So it was very beneficial to the students. I am very much thankful to you, sir. And I am very much thankful to Parvati, who is event organizer of today's valedictory function. I am very much thankful to you also, ma'am. So overall, I should congratulate all the students who has taken active role in this program, and I am very much thankful to you all also because you are the part of this program and you have taken with active participation. But we expect further growth of you. So with this note, I would like to conclude my vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. I have a request, request from a student who's very keen on expressing her feedback for of the event. I just want to take some time for us to just listen to her. She was very keen on expressing this feedback. So I think we can give little time just for her to speak a few words.
Please go ahead, madam. Please.
Pratiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Induction program. Good evening to me. Induction program. The program was very beautiful and wonderful topic were given by the professors from the different colleges, which was very useful and understandable to upcoming youngsters for next generation. The given topics were most desirable and we all thank them for giving these topics and spending time with the students of RRIT. And even we all thank for the management of RRIT for giving this induction program. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you one and all for your gracious presence, and this completes our validatory function. Thank you all. Ma'am, sir, anything else to be added, sir?
No, Dr. Anita Shettar was also one of the speakers in the student induction program. So on behalf of all of us, I thank Dr. Anita Shettar for giving a wonderful lecture on material science that day. It was really enjoyable. Thank you, madam.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Madam, we can conclude.
Okay.
Sir, we can tell about Monday onwards class details.
Yes. Principal, sir. Sir, principal, sir.
Sir, as per timetable, we'll proceed, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes.
Same online classes as per timetable, whatever you were having all these days, same thing will continue.
Yes.
That's all.
Sure, sir.
No
sure.
change in that. Just continue
Okay.
same thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And make attendance compulsory. They have to attend.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, dear students, so Monday onwards, as usual, you will have online classes as per the timetable. So, log into the classes in time and faculty will engage the class. Okay.
Sir,
Sir.
some students don't have Microsoft ID.
That we are creating. That we will do it. We are doing it.
Okay.
Okay. The principal, sir, shall we exit, sir?
Yep, we'll exit, sir. We'll close it. We'll
Okay,
exit.
okay, sir. Thank you,
the
sir.
meeting,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.